How to fix Face ID settings grayed out on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Face ID settings grayed out on iPhone. To fix Face ID settings grayed out on iPhone, the first step is to go to the Settings app. Here, reach Accessibility and find Face ID and Attention option. Now, tap on it and you will find various options here. Make sure to enable all of these options. These options require attention for Face ID, attention-aware features, and haptic feedback on successful authentication. If these options are already enabled, you can disable them and enable them again. Another way is to open the Settings app again. Then, scroll down to find the Face ID and tap on it. Enter your passcode, and you can reset your Face ID. You can also set up your Face ID to fix your issue on your mobile phone. Follow the prompts to set up your Face ID. Next, go back and locate the Screen Time option. Then, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn off the toggle to disable content and privacy restrictions. Now, tap on the toggle button again to enable it. You can always enable it again later if needed. Scroll down and you will find different options. After that, tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Here, you can enable these apps that are shown here. Another step is to reach General and select Software Update. Update your device if it is showing here. You can also try resetting your iPhone by going to General. Scroll down till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Finally, tap on Reset and reset all the settings. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.